You need to know precisely what is the version of Scala you're using, what is the version of Spark you're using, and what
Okay.
is the version of Java you're using.
I'll tell you how that works. I don't know exact. I mean, like we use Gradle.
Yeah, if you use Gradle, what
I
happens? Yeah, okay, you're using Gradle. Okay, we will set up a Gradle. The first thing that you need to do is Gradle setup. Currently, I'm using SBT,
SPT. Huh.
Scala Build Tool. Okay, but we have to set up Gradle. Think I might have created. I'm not sure though. I'll set up something for that, and I'll let you know.
Mm.
Okay, and this project structure, SDKs, libraries. So when you do hello world, okay, it works.
Mhm.
Okay, I have that set up. What I'll do, we can. I think we need to start both Scala and Spark at a time. It's
Okay.
not just a week. We can go Scala first and then Spark next.
Hmm.
By the time it will be 2 3 weeks.
Okay.
The better thing is to learn in a practical way rather than theoretical manner.
Okay.
Okay, there are a few things that you can learn is in a level. Let's say you have how data processing works. Like when I say, well, numbers, that's how it looks.
Mhm.
Okay, and if I want to print, for for each in numbers, what the hell? Do you know how for loop? I
I think
don't
it's
remember
for
the
each in
syntax.
Scala.
All right, numbers dot map.
Hmm.
So these are higher order functions,
Mhm.
map, flat map, filter. So usually it will be like a sequence. If you use sequence, this is the topmost collection or collection hierarchy. This is the parent parent of all the collections,
Okay.
and it is inherited by list, map, hash maps. Like that, there are different collection elements, set,
Okay.
and you can apply map operations and all on top of it. But this map and all, you might not require that much in Spark. When you start writing Spark programs, you'll write it in a different way. Sure, if I have Scala Spark project, is that development repos? The Scala practice that I just created. Okay, I can set up something, but I need you to come with a laptop. If you can log in with laptop,
Oh,
then
yeah, sure.
we can try a demo on that.
Okay.
We'll start off with, but yeah, I worked in Scala for 3 years.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, now I'm working as a solution architect.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay, I've stopped doing development, but
Mhm.
I started uh, finding out better solutions.
You mean architect in the sense same data pipelines and it.
Solutions architect, you know, architect role. Not sure
I
of it.
no.
Okay,
Basically,
so
I know that they
you're an
build.
individual developer, right?
Mhm.
And you will have a team lead,
Yes.
right? Team lead, what he does, he'll also code.
Mhm.
He'll develop programs.
Okay.
He'll write it. But if you're developing a program, there should be a technical design of your application. How
Yes.
you want to create pipelines, what is the technology that you need to use. That is being done by an architect, data architect or solution architect. Okay, I've been data engineer for last 10 years almost.
Oh, okay.
Okay, recently I've moved into solution architect space.
Okay.
Uh, so yeah, we can definitely. I know Scala very well, man. I learned all by my own,
Okay.
and in that process, I got to know you don't need to learn everything for Spark.
Okay.
Okay, but if you start learning Scala in a traditional way, you will end up learning only Scala, not Spark. Right. So yeah, if you have a laptop, yeah, we can at least start setting up. Can you execute Spark programs as well in your laptop?
No.
Yeah. Okay. You do you know you